We call it waste. But in the language of the earth, nothing is wasted. Even a single banana peel carries a kind of memory, one that reminds dead soil how to live again. They say the earth forgets. That once the soil dies, it stays that way, dry, pale, and empty. But what if it could remember? What if life could return from something as simple as what we throw away? That's what caught my attention one quiet morning. A strange idea whispered through the gardening world, that a single banana peel could revive dead soil. It sounded impossible. Yet something about it felt ancient, like an old truth we'd buried along with our waste. Because under the surface of every garden, there's a silent world. One most of us never see. A world of roots and microbes, of decay and renewal, a heartbeat hidden beneath our feet. When a banana peel enters that world, it doesn't rot aimlessly. It becomes fuel for a transformation the eye can't see. The moment it touches the soil, decomposition begins, not as destruction, but as creation. Tiny organisms, fungi, bacteria, the quiet architects of fertility start to move. They feed on the soft fibers of the peel, releasing nutrients back into the earth. Potassium for color, calcium for strength, magnesium for growth, each element weaving itself into the rhythm of the soil's rebirth. The dirt begins to darken. Moisture lingers longer. A faint scent of rain returns. And slowly, the plants above respond. Their leaves, once pale, start deepening in green. Their stems stand a little taller. Their roots, invisible to us, stretch deeper into the loosened ground. It's subtle. It's patient. And it's real. Because what we call waste, the things we dismiss as useless, often carry the very key to renewal. The banana peel doesn't just feed a plant. It reawakens a system. It teaches the soil to breathe again. It reminds the earth of what it used to know, that life and decay are not opposites. They are partners in a never-ending conversation. And somewhere beneath that quiet garden bed, where fungi thread like veins and bacteria hum unseen, the soil remembers. It remembers that nothing truly dies here. Not when something as humble as a banana peel can whisper life back into the ground. And if you think this banana peel was surprising, wait until you see what happened when I buried rice in my garden. That story's waiting for you next. It's somewhere around your screen and comment section. So the next time you toss one away, think about what it could become. Because beneath every scrap of what we call waste, might be the beginning of another story, one where life starts over.